Check this out. This is the resume website that I made with AI in a couple of minutes, without any coding, without, moving elements and being frustrated. So I got the about me here. Then I got also resume. Then I got also my works here, campaigns, branding, social, then contact. And also with the links to the social media, I can click here, download, and download the resume. So it looks good in my opinion, and it's very effective and easy to do. So I'm going to show you how we can do it. Let's go. So we're going to use a Claude Design to make our own resume website, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. The first step that we're going to do is that we have to get our own domain and hosting for our own resume website. So you want to click on the link down below in the description. You'll get right here to Hostinger. When you're going to get here, you want to click on the pricing, and then you're going to have a premium and unlimited. So there you want to go with a premium, and when you're going to click on a premium, so here what you're going to do is that you're going to have period 48 months, and there you're going to see the monthly basis, like the cost, and the less you have the months, the price increase, the period is longer, the price is decreasing. Have a coupon code right here, Marcus. So then you're gonna get 10% off whatever plan you're gonna choose. And then you're just gonna write here your domain, and for first year you're gonna have completely for free. So then when you're gonna press continue, don't install any WordPress from Hostinger, don't install any also Hostinger website builder, you don't need it. In the end of the video, I'm going to show you then how we can upload the site that we're going to make with Claude. So in the moment when you're going to be here in Google, you don't want to start writing into Claude Design to build your resume website. What you want to do is that you're going to come here, resume website template, or you're going to have Webflow, Figma, or Framer. Just find some kind of template they would like to use, and all we have to do is that we have to get the site as a PNG. So how we can do it, when you would right click and you were going to click screenshot, capture full page, and you can capture full page and then save it. And then just upload it to Claude Design, when I'm just going to do it like this, and I would upload it. So that's how we're going to do it. And then we're going to start prompting. So make me a website like this that I'm sending you in screenshots, very simple, without scrolling there. On left is about me, contact, then my work, and then resume, but for marketing. Ask me information about the design, make it mobile friendly, responsive. Ask me information about the data and animations. So now it's going to ask me questions. And now whatever you want to have on the site based on the screenshot, you're just going to describe it. What do you want different? What do you want to have there? I just shared like what I want to have on left. And now I'm just going to click send. So what is going to happen now is that it's going to ask me, it's going to analyze the screenshots and ask me questions based on them. So now it asks me the questions about the name, job, color, about me, services, skills, and percentage of resume header. I'm just like showed everybody to make it up. You're just gonna like fill it out, what is going to ask you based on you, sidebar photo, animation level, anything else. And I'm just going to press continue, and now it's going to build the website. So check it out, it made the website. I got also my works here, campaigns, branding, where you can upload a project. Then also contact me. For the contact you, what you can do is also add complete free web-free forms. I made also a video on that. That's something that you can do. Here is the Instagram, and it looks very good. Now when I also look here for the resume, and I got the profile about me, it looks very good in my opinion, of course. I can change even the light on the top right to Mamma Mia. And this is something I made with AI in a couple of minutes. This is how insane it is. So in the moment when you're going to have it, what you're going to do next is to right here on the bottom left, now export me the whole site as index.html. Thank you. I don't know if there are multiple pages or if it's just a normal it's just one page. And give me download link. So look at that. Now it's going to give me the download link, and how it works is that I'm just going to come here to the websites that you bought, and then you're going to come here and you're going to click on the dashboard for the website. And when you're going to be here, you're going to have files, and you're going to file manager, and you're going to open it. And I'm just gonna wait here. So it's going to now export me the site, and then what I can do, I can easily just upload it. So delete everything in public HTML. when you open it, delete everything that is there, and there you're just going to have index.html. If you're going to have multiple pages, what you need to do is that you need to say to Claude, export me this site with multiple pages, and that's how it's going to go. So look at that. Download that. I'm going to have it right here. I'm going to come here to public HTML, and I'm just going to paste it. Now I click edit, and voila, here we got it. And now when you have it and when you got this, then what we're gonna do is that we are going to open the site. So profile here, and then we're gonna go click websites here and open the site. And we got it. So how simple was this? Hope this video was beneficial. I wish you all the best in your job searching, that you're gonna get the job that you need. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.